Today I'm bringing to your attention a Malian innovator who is helping illiterate entrepreneurs using a social media app that is audio.
Wow, is he the one who created the social media app?
Yes, he did.
Wow, interesting. All right.
Okay, let me take it away. Hello, and thanks for joining me for a look at This Week in Business here in the Morning Call. I'm Amelia Martha Nachtimbo, and I'm excited about today's story because it demonstrates how innovations, which are relevant to our day-to-day lives, can promote economic inclusiveness. Now, a Malian entrepreneur has created an application for people who cannot read. Lenali app works with voice instructions in several of the languages spoken in Mali and is helping small businesses to market their goods and services. Now, Ada Tembeli on the screen sells fruits and vegetables, and she works on a street in Mali's capital, Bamako, and is one of the over 73,000 users of this free application. She did not go to school and doesn't understand French, which is used across business platforms in Francophone West Africa. Take a look at how in Bambara language, she gives clients directions to her stall, as well as photographs of the stock available for the day.
Here are your lovely fruits. We have ripe oranges, apples, bananas, and not forgetting the pineapples. Today we have almost everything to keep you satisfied. To find us, go to the third bridge and you will see me. I installed it myself because Lenali has Bambara, Soninke, and almost all languages. I didn't go to school, so because there's Bambara, obviously I'm interested.
Now, Tembeli says that her earnings have tripled since she started using the application. Lenali app developer and IT engineer Mamadou Gure Sidibe says that he conceived the idea to create the app when a manager of a shop he regularly visits asked him to read a message in French on a chat application Viber. Sibide left his career in French startups to work for years on what he says is the world's only voice-based network available in different West African languages that are spoken in Mali. Take a listen.
I decided that Lenny should be audio social media app in the local language. So because I needed to allow people like him to understand what they were doing when they try and install it. A lot of people get applications installed for them because they can't do it themselves. So it was with that in mind that we created vocal guides, vocal instructions in the local language, so people can understand what they are doing, right up to doing up your own profile vocally. If you know how to write, you can put it in writing, and if not, you speak into the application and it records it. And after that, you can publish vocally, you can comment vocally, and really you can do everything in this application without ever having to write a single word.
Lenali app works just like Facebook. It provides users the option such as likes and uploading posts. Here's the experience of another user of the application.
Since I have been using Lenali, my turnover has gone up 5%, and now I can sell 20 motorbikes a day, whereas before it was hard work selling just 5 a day.
According to 2015 United Nations figures, only 33% of the 18.5 million Malians are literate. The Lenali application has been available since January 2017 and currently has 73,500 users. Sidibe, the developer, hopes that it will become profitable when it reaches 200,000 users. And that's the business for this week here on Africa News. I'm Amelia Martha Nachtimbo. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.